Your buttermilk should be at room temperature. This is important to get everything mixing properly together. So start to whisk that together. Now, they're not going to want to come together because oil and liquids don't tend to mix. So give it a stir. There is one ingredient that actually allows these two to combine well together, and that is the eggs. So eggs is it's a multitasking ingredient. Again, if you watch my baking ingredients series, you'll get to know eggs even better. But one of the important characteristics that eggs have is that it acts as an emulsifier. So it allows oil, fat and water to mix properly. So whisk that together. In this recipe we're using 2 eggs. So when you whisk it with the egg, you can see it's coming together.